Right, so we have some more new crisps to try today, and we have these new crisps that have came out at Sainsbury's. They are a part of the summer range, which they normally bring out a couple of new flavours each year, and they have these Gochujang barbecue sauce flavour, and they also have the Mexican style pulled pork flavour, which will be reviewed next and uploaded next, so check that out afterwards. So yeah, I'm not a huge fan of barbecue sauce flavoured crisps, but these seem to have a bit of chilli heat to them. Savoury and sweet with chilli heat. I'm not sure exactly what gochujang is, but it must be something with a little bit of spice in it. Yeah, so these were £1.50, quite reasonably priced for a bag of crisps nowadays. So yeah, we'll give them a go. On the bottom it does say mild heat. We'll taste them and see what I like. Have a bit of a funny smell to them. And smell like the paprika and the chili powder, quite orange in colour. Doesn't have an overly strong barbecue smell. Let's give them a go. Doesn't smell awfully barbecuey, but tastes very barbecuey. I can't really think off the top of my head of any other barbecue flavoured crisps with chili incorporated in it. There's a weird crisp being inflated. No, I do like them. The barbecue sauce isn't sickly sweet, which is normally what puts me off barbecue flavoured crisps in general, I think. So it's not overly sweet, and you have the nice little bit of kick of chilli, but it is quite mild. It's not strong at all. And yeah, the actual crisps are spot on, nice and crunchy. I would definitely recommend giving those a go. I think I will still prefer the pulled pork flavour, but yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised with them. So for a rating out of 100, for the Sainsbury's Taste the Difference Gochujang barbecue sauce flavoured crisps, I will give these a 88 out of 100, and I would recommend giving them a go.